Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Nelina and I did a tutorial on this look, obviously, but like this is the look that Tana Mongeau had in her Without You album cover, and I saw that, and once I saw the album cover I was like, oh my gosh, I want to recreate this. This is so cute. And I think I recreated pretty well. It kind of looks like the Walmart version and she's like the Chanel version, but like I think it's pretty good for Amazon crystals and pearls. I'll link everything down below and comment some skull emojis, but like I really love it. It took me 2 to 3 hours. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure 3 to 4 hours actually, because so if you could just like this video, that'd be really appreciated because it took me a really long time. But yeah, I'm so glad I did this. It's so cute.
Hi, so I started with a full face and I have a foundation routine and an eyebrow routine. If you want to watch that, I'll link it down below. And I'm taking this Sephora brand white eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to outline where I want the jewels to go, and also the blue kind of is how I'm outlining it, and I'm using the reference picture from the beginning. Now I'm taking this NYX I don't know, eyeshadow palette, and I'm only going to use that blue color and kind of a little bit of the green, but not really. But I'm just going to take this pencil liner and go over that, and I'm going to start shading the inside of that. Like I'm starting to go on the line and then kind of blend it inwards as the reference picture shows. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just going to do that for a little bit. Now I'm going to take this turquoise shade from this Anastasia palette, but this is not necessary. You can just use the blue one from the beginning. And I'm going to start blending the inside of that part, and I'm going to make it more of a seamless blend because it was kind of looking kind of sus, you know, not blended. So for all the jewels, I'm going to use this regular duo lash glue. And I'm taking these pearls and gems from Amazon. They're actually nail gems, I think, but they work just fine. And I started by doing one little like dot, but in the later clips I start just doing patches of it, like lines of glue, and then putting all of them because that just made it a lot faster. And also those tweezer things that I have are from Amazon, and I got them with the jewels that I bought. And now begins the tedious process of, like, you know, putting all of those on my face. And yeah, so I don't know, I'm just gonna skip through this part because it's kind of self-explanatory. I'm just doing the same, you know, thing for the whole entire circle. So now I'm gonna start defining the cheekbone, and by putting the bigger pearls and then like kind of sparse pearls, because there's mostly diamonds and, you know, just pearls to outline the cheekbone, so that's just what I did first. And now around the eye, I'm gonna go in between every pearl space and I'm gonna put a little medium-sized gem. It's not the biggest one, but it's not like the smallest one, and I'm gonna work in sections. So I'm gonna take the smaller ones and actually go on the inside because they don't look that big in the picture. So I'm just gonna do that same thing, but except with small gems on the inner part of the circle. And then towards the bottom, I'm gonna start putting bigger than those ones. I don't know if you understand me, but you know, this is what I'm doing. I'm just putting diamonds in between the pearls for now. And on the outer part of the circle, I'm putting the same size gems as I did at the top. So now I'm taking these medium-sized gems. I'm pretty sure they're all the same size. And I'm going to put them along the, cheekbone, mouth part. And I'm just going to outline where the blue part is. But I'm only going to put the medium ones only halfway through those lines, because when you get closer to the mouth, the jewels get smaller and smaller. Other than that, this part is pretty easy. You just are following the blue line, and yeah. So these are the size gems that I'm going to start putting, and I'm going to go from biggest to smallest, and the smallest going around the mouth area, but I don't think I reached the mouth area yet. I'm just following the blue line that I created. So by this time I was really tired of putting jewels on my face, so I wanted to take a break, put some lashes on, and like mascara on my bottom lashes. And those lashes were from Eyelure, and I got them from Target. They're like $5. And yeah, so back to jeweling. I'm taking these more little gems, and I'm gonna start putting the bigger ones on first, kind of sparse around the outside of the circle, and then I'm going to start placing the little ones in between those. There's no like rhyme or rhythm. I'm just putting the big ones first, and then I'm kind of putting the little ones scattered around the big ones, if that makes sense. You know, if you're just scattering gems all over your face, I just think it's gonna turn out pretty. So just put them all randomly wherever you want, you know, and everything will be alright. Also, I'm sorry if I get out of the frame for a little. It's really hard, you know, to film by yourself. And also, I've been at this for maybe an hour now, so I'm just like super focused on the gems and the makeup. So I apologize. So once I did that kind of pattern all around the eye, I'm going to take a mixture of every gem in here, and I'm going to start filling out my cheekbone area. And there is no like particular pattern. I'm just putting different sizes of gems like all in that area. Like there's not going to be any kind of blank space. I'm just putting all sorts of different gems in there because that's what it looks like in the picture. And on the outer portion is where I'm going to start making it sparse again, but I'm still going to use a lot of like random size gems. There's no order or like size. I'm just going to put them all randomly. And on the inside, I'm going to go all the way to the nose because that's what she has in the picture. And same thing, random gems. If you don't have that many gems, just try to like mix it up kind of, you know. But I'm basically just filling out all of that area and leaving no blank space. And any blank space, you just put a little gem in there, you know. Now I'm going to put some lipstick on because I'm going to work on the mouth area. This one is by Huda Beauty, but I recommend using a liquid lipstick because the glue wasn't like sticking enough, you know, to my lips because they were like moist because of the lipstick. So use a matte lipstick that's liquid because it dries really, you know, matte. But anyways, I'm just going to put glue, and I'm going to take the smallest diamonds that I have and put them on my lips, continuing the lines from the teeth, if that makes sense. I don't know. And that was the final, you know, touches. So yeah, I'm sorry about the audio and my closing, you know, clips, but I hope you liked it.
I am done.
I am not. I'm done.
Well, that's it for my tutorial. I hope you liked it. Like this video. It took me 3 to 4 hours. I would really appreciate it if you like this video. And share this video, and go to my Instagram and tag Tana Mongeau in the comments. It would mean so much. So thanks, subscribe, have a nice day.